Hi everyone, here at Just for Fun, we do all kinds of things. Hi everyone, this is one of my, it's my old bell actually, and I'm just playing around with my little Baba, trying to show him how things work. And you can see the bell is working really nicely there. But what I thought, although the bell is working nicely there, that solenoid is really beautiful and loose. So I was wondering whether I could use it to make a solenoid engine. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, very quickly then, I took the batteries out and I took these bells out, and also at the back there was this strip, and I just picked it up and I can see the solenoid is held down by these kind of clamps. So I'm happy to take that off now and see what happens then, because I mean it's good to have the solenoid in there, but I need the solenoid out. I suppose one could argue that I could actually think about it, I could make the engine from there, get the batteries on. Yeah, I think I might just do that actually. Leave this there, make an engine, just extend these things, make an engine, it's all fitted there. So yeah, let me design it and find out how I want to do this. I'll get back to you because everything's connected nicely there. You remember I said I was going to make this doorbell into a solenoid engine? Well, this is the plan I've done so far. I just stuck down to there. This I already made for another project, but I thought I'd use it because it's quite easy to just adapt to this particular project. And it's only to get this doorbell going, because the beautiful thing I like about this is because it's got the batteries already in there, that's in there, and this piston moves quite freely in there. Now what I found is that the piston goes in one way, this way, like this, better than the other way. And the problem with me is that end here is where I can attach something to, because this end is like very stubby, it's a bit hard to do it. So that's why I turned this totally around the opposite way. The thing to do now is to attach something there, put it with this one, and see if that will spin it around like so. But more than that is to get this to work, so that when when it comes back here, it activates the switch or something back there, so that the switch will come on and push this back in like that. Okay, so that's what I'm working on. It's pretty straightforward. This is obviously from an old steam engine. Actually, I bought this bracket itself with this and the wheel. So this is many years ago I bought this. So I thought, you know, I'll adapt this, see how it does. So I've got two paper clips. The small one, I stripped her off and I used to make that. As you can see, I'm going to just use the glue gun to glue that, and that will be in there like that. Okay guys, basically the idea was to just use these batteries, but because this is a bit heavy and it's hard to move it, so the batteries didn't have enough power to do it. So what I've done external power here, and I've connected with the batteries in conjunction with this, and it is working now, but I'm not happy with it. So here we go. Well, it was working a minute ago. Now I'm not happy with this, so I'm going to just take the camera off there and show you a bit more closer. Okay, so we have the batteries here, but what I had to do is I had to put this sleeve in on here because it wasn't flexy enough in the solenoid to actually move it about a bit. And what this was doing, it was stopping it from, it was very rigid, so it wasn't giving it a bit of a leeway to move this. As you can see, it moves quite freely now, and so that does work. Unfortunately, the battery hasn't worked at the moment, but I'm going to try again in a minute. But as you can see, it was working just there. So if I use this to make it work, hang on. There you go. So I'm going to have a little bit more go to just use the battery power and not the external power as well. See what happens then. Okay guys, I'll give it one more try. I'll take these batteries out. I just had to go out and buy some more batteries to see if the batteries, you know, this is now a bit drained. See what happens. Let's see if it works. So here it goes. Okay, well, I was going to use a relay here, or open this up and use the contacts to make a switch. But maybe I'll do that in a different project. But what I've done is I've put 2 extra batteries in series with that, and let's have a look what happens now. Got to hold them tight. As you can see, it's working with 2 extra batteries. Okay, solution for rubber bands. Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's working fine. Thank you for watching. Hope you'll subscribe. Thumbs up. I enjoyed this project.